everybody cool. As long as you love, Likkle Wizzies cool. Don't you, brother? Yes, we see this somewhere, man. See? I see him exactly. Brother, it's a little boy, did you do it? No, youth. Yes, it's a little boy. Come and show you who you are talking about. See the video there. Click on it. See the youth. Are you me a chatbot? Alright. We can't do one like that too. Yeah? Come on, do something. What do we look like? ICool challenge they go on. Today, me see Ryan upload one. Ryan they post one too. How they go on? A thief in the thief idea?
Agent I, this is General Cool. Get the package now.
Roger that.
A thief in a thief. Challenge. Alright, so, we love ICool. I just think that's so. ICool. Every day, them put I upon everything. Anything will have I in the beginning get good. iPhone, iPad, I paid for this buckle of water. No, not that I. Not that I. How you get in here? If it was this irie daughter, no. I am dripping melanin with honey. I'm black without a polish. Good job, Spice. I support black. To show you how the I bad. All my big general, big artists, I don't ya. Oh, I never know.
Yeah.
Easy, me general. This is the I show. They have to pay to see you. The best part about I is when you love a girl and you say, I love you. And the next thing too, you buy her one gift and you say, I hope you like it. And you get vexed, you know, and you say, I don't care. And when she get vexed around and you say, I don't give a 5 cents, 10 cents or $1. I can't see why somebody would fight over one buckle of ICool water. This video is not sponsored, but if I did get a check from them, I wouldn't mind. Did you enjoy the video? Here's another one. And if you're new, please subscribe. Likkle Wizzies, new video every Friday. ICool. And let me tell you something. The way I say no.